first time the
Right, guys, this is the first time we've been to Camarine Saw water park.
This is the first time that we use the car as well.
Yeah, this is the first day that we've used the car since it's legal.
Yeah. Say hi, guys.
I've just been to the dealership because the shelf was missing out of the back. And the kids have never been out like this. And this is their first time at the water park, the water complex.
And then this is the first that we go out with just us, right?
Yeah. So this is going to be good. Now, Mel was saying that we could go to what's that place, Mel? That was hey?
And Plaza?
No, not that one. The beach.
Pasakaw.
Pasakaw, but different to where we've been as a family before. I don't mean just me, Mel, and the kids, because the kids haven't been nowhere. It's a resort. Me and Mel's actually been before, and I got a little bit too drunk. As you know, I did a video on Cam Saw. The typhoon hit it, and they've built it back now. Look, there's a canopy. We'll get a bit closer and show you. There's a canopy, and it was just destroyed. It was blown off. The little shops inside, yeah, the little shops inside were destroyed. It was a shame. It was a shame what happened. Now, before the pandemic, there was lots of foreigners come here, and especially to come here to wakeboard, and mainly Americans. Loads of don't think I'm going to get up there, babe. Loads of Americans. I mean, look at the kids. They've never been here before. She's very excited.
They are excited. Oh, yay!
So, because I've got a GoPro, guys, let's have a look, see what you can see. Because I've got a GoPro, God, I'm on day 2 of my fasting, because I went off my diet again, and it about kills me when I do it. You'll see, I think you'll see, is they've put it all back and they've got the tables in there now. We'll try and go over there in a bit and just have a look at it, see what's what. But look at it, guys, isn't it beautiful? These little chalets, I was talking to some guys who are living in them, and they were really quite happy, very clean. I feel really sorry for the management here, you know. They get hit by a very bad typhoon, and then, you know, they're hit by the pandemic as well. Via, don't go too near that water, baby. It really saddens me, it does. But I love this. Me and Mel come a few times. This is where me and Mel first had our first date.
You guys, Chris is very correct, but this is the place that we're dating. And then I'm the one who buy foods, right?
That's outrageous. You said to me.
But it's true, right?
Yeah, but I kept saying to her, she kept trying to impress me, and it's not about money and all this business. And she was working at the time as a medical secretary, and she was using most of her spare cash to buy me food.
Yo, I always buy McDonald's that time.
McDonald's and chicken and you know, all kinds of stuff. And I kept telling her to stop and I'll pay for it. No, it's my treat.
Did you ask that? I did not remember that.
Yeah, she's lying, guys. She's lying. And we came here, and we were sat over there, because there's another lake thing there, and we're having a very awkward picnic. Mel was trying very hard not to look at me because she was very shy, weren't you, babe?
Yeah, that's fine. So, Matt, you said there's a shark there, Mommy?
Yes, there's a shark.
Say hi.
Say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Oh, she's a nightmare. Absolute nightmare, that little one.
This is shark. Oh, this look. Oh, shark, Matthew.
So somebody coming round now, guys. Have a look at this. I tell you, if you ever come to Naga, this is actually not in Naga, it's in Peely, obviously. But I know if I did that, I'd break my neck. There's a training pool over the other side. What you should really go to before you start and go on this bit. Because you got to be really good to. I mean, knowing my luck, I'd come round, I wouldn't be able to steer away from one of these courses, and I'd go flat bang into it. And being as I'm approaching 60 in April, I don't think it's the best of ideas. So guys, we're going to take the kids to a park on the way home after we've getting something. Mel wants something to eat. That's a shocker, isn't it?
Yeah, but I said I want to diet, but it's hard,
Yeah, I absolutely nearly wet my pants when she says, I'm not eating much, I want to diet. I want
Oh, excuse me, but
I want to look the
once.
sexy.
I just eat once.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with you, babe. Is there anything wrong with Mel?
It's only the belly.
I mean, you've had 2 kids. Look at me, and I've had no kids.
That's only belly. That's only the belly.
So tomorrow, guys, since I met Mel and we ended up moving to this other house, not so much her mum's house, the 3-story, but as soon as we moved to where we were, we got lots of very, very unpleasant people. It was mainly pointed at me, obviously not Mel and the kids, saying, you're a disgrace, get Mel and the kids out of there, get them to somewhere decent. The car video, although I very appreciate you guys, you've done really well on the views, supporting it. I appreciate that. Oh my god. I tell you, she's a nightmare. She's an absolute nightmare. Anyway, and practically every video I post, without exception, I'm getting the same thing. You're an embarrassment to guys from the UK and guys from the West. You've gone over there as a beggar and you can't afford this, and why did you have 2 kids? Look, I could go on and on, but I'll not bore you with anything more. So tomorrow we're going to look at a house that is really nice, secure for my car. We can't really afford, but we're thinking maybe now's the time to make a move and just risk, hoping that the channel's gonna grow and and things financially are going to get better. So we're going to do that and see what happens. At the end of the day, we can always go back to where we're leaving, I guess. I don't know, we'll have to see, because you know what it's going to be like. People are going to be cutting each other's throats to move into the house if we move out, and the chances are we ain't going to get back in again. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. So you'll see a video on this house, and then I'll probably post it and ask you guys what you think. Would you go for it? Is that a jeepney over there? On the water? It's a jeepney, isn't it? What the heck? Oh, we're gonna have to go and have a look at that, guys.
Welcome to Naga City. Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,